Now, I recognise the very extensive and genuine efforts by the Somali authorities to prevent terrorism through a comprehensive counter-terrorism strategy. It combines law enforcement, military operations, with efforts to prevent and counter violent extremism, to promote the protection of human rights, and to address the root causes of terrorist recruitment in Somalia. It does all of this under severe security and resource constraints. This is a critical moment for Somalia. Sustained international engagement is essential to support national efforts to build lasting peace, strengthen the rule of law, and protect human rights while countering terrorism.